Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left, we have the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit, and on the right, we have the ARRIphase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi.
Let's jump right into it.
The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit comes in at a budget-friendly $25, while the ARRIphase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi is priced at $119. Now I know what you're thinking, that's quite a difference. But remember, we're here to compare the value you get for your money. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit is designed to be compatible with all dash cams. It has Type-C ports and can be easily installed without the need for a cable from your car's cigarette lighter socket. On the other hand, the ARRIphase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi also offers wide compatibility, comes with a built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi for easy control and live streaming. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit connects to your car battery or fuse box power, ensuring continuous power supply for 24 hours. This means it can keep recording even when your car is turned off. Similarly, the ARRIphase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi offers 24 hours parking mode with the help of a Type-C hardwire kit sold separately. It automatically switches to parking mode and records any collisions or movements. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit offers clear video recording, but it falls short compared to the ARRIphase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi. With its 2K+1080P front and rear dual dash cam, it captures the road in crystal detail from every angle. And if you're looking for even higher resolution, the front camera alone records in stunning 4K Ultra HD 2160p. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit offers multiple security protections such as low voltage protection, overcurrent protection, reverse connection protection, and overheat protection. Plus, it comes with a worry-free 1-year free replacement warranty for quality problems. On the other hand, the ARRIphase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi offers built-in Wi-Fi for easy control and sharing, seamless loop recording, G-sensor for collision detection, and a heat-resistant design. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit is praised for its quality and customer service, while the ARRIphase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi is commended for its video quality and user-friendly app.
And there you have it, folks.
We've compared the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit and the ARRIphase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi. Both products have their unique features and advantages, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Remember to do your research and make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.